So this is Gigabyte graphic card AORUS GeForce RTX 5080 Stream AORUS WB16G. So this is graphic card. Let's check the specifications of graphic card. So gigabyte processing on this is circuit ID GeForce RTX 5080, core clock 2028 5 megahertz supported, CUDA core 10720 752, memory clock 30 GB, memory size 16 GB, and memory type which is DDR7 GDDR7, memory bus 5256 bit, bus card bus which is socket which is installed to graphic card PCIe 5.0. This is slot actually, and this is resolutions. Display resolution support max 7680 into 4320. This is max support this multiple view 4, and you can see this is a 850 watt 16 pin, and this is for the display support for the display DP port, 3 DP port you can see, and 1 HDMI for the display. And this is accessory in the box, you can see